everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to 2017 Audi Q5 that it came with the MMI, but it didn't come with the Apple CarPlay. So we add Apple CarPlay and we can control the Apple CarPlay by factory MMI. So it retains all the factory features, and on top of that you get the Apple CarPlay, and it used the factory microphone inside the car, which is the beauty of this unit. So no need any external microphone. And customer can play songs, or if they have Spotify, they can play Spotify, or they can play podcasts. And by clicking on Audi logo, it goes back to the factory MMI. If you're interested to get this type of interface videos to do Apple CarPlay, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.